My name is Shelly. I live in Don Pedro. This is my 1956 Chevy Nomad wagon. I have owned her for 16 years. It has been a joy. It has been a wonderful thing to be a part of something that is so male dominated. It's nice to represent all of the women on wheels, and that's exactly what it's all about. It's the love of the cars. It's the wanting to be a part of this and wanting people to understand that women love cars. Women love being in the cars, and we love working on the cars and maintaining the cars, and that is why I'm here, and I'm very honored and very proud to be a part of a wonderful group of people that like to get together. And being a woman of color, it makes it all feel so much better, and I appreciate the fact that I am accepted the way that I am with open arms. So many wonderful people welcome me and tell me they're glad to see me and tell me they're glad I'm representing women and tell me that, you know, she's a great car, and I am very proud and very honored to own her.
Mitchell's Harley Davidson of Modesto is the sponsor for this award, and I got to spend a little time with Shelly. This is Michelle Shaw. She's out of LaGrange, California. She's driving a 1956 Chevy Nomad named Tinka. This is Tinka. And of course, you're wondering why Tinka, and I was wondering that too. Well, Michelle or Shelly during school years, she was referred to as Tinkerbell. And so at first she was going to name it Tinkerbell. She said, no, it's got to have its own original name. It's Tinka. Y'all need to know that, and spend some time talking to Shelly if you get to afterwards. A friend of hers had one of these in high school, and she fell in love with Nomads right away. And I referred to Shelly as a pioneer. Back in the 1970s in Oakland Unified, girls weren't allowed in auto shop. So Shelly's mom petitioned the school district to get her into auto shop. What do you know, her sophomore year in high school, she was in auto shop, and she's been working on cars ever since. And she wanted me to give a shout out to the Mother Lode muscle cars as well. So I think I stole the word pioneer from her, or I gave it to her, but she's really a pioneer in the idea of car restoration and working on cars. I think maybe 7 or 8 times, maybe a dozen times, she said it's a big labor of love. She's fantastic. I mean, it was just so much fun talking to her. It's a beautiful car. 10 years on the restoration. We tried to figure out the exact color of the car. She said it's more of a red with some gold in it, and somebody mentioned that it looks like the red cinnamon hots. But she did refer to the rims as adding a little bling to the car. So, Shelly, thanks so much. We appreciate you coming out.